In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image proportionally without cropping in Figma. Let's get started by opening Figma and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Figma dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Take a moment to locate the specific project where the image you want to resize is stored. When you've found it, click to open that project and wait for the editor to load. Inside the Figma editor, look through your Canvas or Layers panel to find the image you want to resize. This might be part of a design frame, a mock-up, or a standalone image on the canvas. If you're not sure which layer is the image, you can click directly on it in the canvas, or use the layers list on the left to select it by name. Once the image is selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it with small square handles on the corners and sides. These little squares are your resize handles. To keep the image from stretching or becoming distorted, you need to maintain its original proportions as you resize it. The simplest way to do this in Figma is by holding down the Shift key while you drag from a corner handle. Hover your cursor over one of the corner resize handles until you see it change, then press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While still holding Shift, click and drag the corner handle inward to make the image smaller, or outward to make it larger. As you drag, you'll notice that the height and width scale together, keeping the image's aspect ratio locked. This prevents any unwanted cropping or warping and ensures that your image looks clean and professional at any size. If you want to be extra precise, you can keep an eye on the width and height values in the right-hand properties panel as you drag. You can also use zoom controls to get a better view of how the image fits within your layout while you resize. When you're happy with the new size, simply release your mouse button first, then let go of the Shift key. Your image will now be resized proportionally without any cropping or distortion. And that's it. By selecting your image, using the corner handles, and holding Shift while you drag, you can quickly and confidently resize any image in Figma while keeping its proportions perfectly intact.